All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But today is a really exciting day. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of the video. Exactly what we've been projecting over the past few days has come, to life, and this is, way too exciting. No words cannot even break down how exciting this really is. Of course, as you guys know, I do have a full-time job, and I was unable to give you guys updates over the past few hours. But I came, took a nap, and I knew this was going to be a long night. I'm going to give you guys all the updates today, and of course, this is really exciting. So if we're looking at Solana today, it's up 7.7%. But before we even get too excited, it is worthwhile getting exciting, of course. But we did see Bitcoin. Yes, guys, Bitcoin made its way back above $50,000 in the first time in over 2 years almost, and that is absolutely insane, of course. So the entire market is picking up, as you can pretty much see. Majority of the coins up quite a bit, and everything is following the BTC momentum. If we're looking at Solana, $114 per SOL, and it's also up 3.7% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. Market cap, just shy of $50 billion. Then the 24-hour trading volume has almost doubled compared to yesterday, currently sitting at $3.3 billion. This is absolutely insane. By no means is this a small move. This is a significant move, and of course this is going to be just a game changer as you do go further into these upcoming days for SOL. In terms of the price, I think a yearly high is very near, which I've been quite clear on, as if you do follow me on my channel for all these daily updates. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If you're looking at breaking Solana's DeFi total value locked is approaching $1.91 billion for the first time in 20 months. And of course, we discussed this last time I made a coverage, and I've said Solana's DeFi is growing at a tremendous rate. Reason as to why this is the case is because people are realizing Solana is a very interesting chain, and it has a lot of capabilities that Ethereum doesn't, and people are starting to see this. And it's not just small ordinary people like us. There's a big institutional interest that has actually been accumulating Solana prior to even this massive rally. And of course, as we do go further into the bull market, Solana is going to be more attractive, and all the massive airdrop narratives, layer one airdrop narrative, this is going to help SOL in such a massive way that not a lot of people see. And I've been quite clear on the overall DeFi. I think Solana's DeFi still is currently really undervalued, because we're nowhere near its all-time highs in terms of DeFi total value locked, and I think we're going to exceed that way faster than a lot of people are expecting. So that is of course really nice to see, and you guys can see this for yourself. Total value locked on Medora pools exceeds $100 million. You can provide liquidity through this, and of course a lot of people are doing that because you do get rewards doing so. This is a game changer, and as we know, this protocol does not as of now have its own token, and we know the farming that is going on the Solana blockchain right now. So much farming going on. People are trying their very best to qualify for these other protocols that do not have currently a coin to potentially be qualified for the coin, because as Solana has been the hotspot for the airdrops. As of now, some people's lives have already changed just based off of airdrop, and all you had to do was just use the chain throughout the bear market. And if you were one of the people that were doing it, you are probably smiling right now because you did get free airdrop, which equals to free money. So that is that. Of course, love seeing that. But let's talk about BTC, the king of the market. Exactly, it has done what I was projecting. It will go above $50,000 if we were able to clear this resistance, and I was expecting that to happen as we do open Monday morning. And you can pretty much see this for yourself as the market started of course, the traditional market open, we can see Bitcoin also open up on a really positive note. Of course, Bitcoin is not closed, the market is not closed like the traditional markets, but of course, the CME futures are open, and that is a huge factor. As we know, we discuss on a day-to-day basis. We did see the price of Bitcoin pushing up to $50,235, guys, for the first time literally since December of 2021. So it's been over 2 years since we have seen 50k Bitcoin, and this is absolutely insane. We did close the daily candle. As of now, Bitcoin is not showing, sorry about that, I do have my alarm on. As of now, Bitcoin does not show any sign of a slowing down, and in my opinion, honestly, right now Bitcoin could make its way up to $52,155 resistance before it sees a little bit of a cool off. So that's how I'm taking a look at Bitcoin. But now let's talk about our friend Sol, because of course that is what everyone is here for. What is happening with Sol? But guys, what Solana has done is exactly what we've been projecting, and this one is really exciting. As you know, 2 days ago, I believe, 2 days ago, I made the update that potentially this could be the last time we did see Sol below the $100 price point, and this time around we have broken out of that resistance at $108.28. You can pretty much see this for yourself. We do have a few resistance coming at this way, but main target remains, now the main target remains $129.57. As you know, the significance of this, if this resistance is able to break out, I could be expecting Sol to be pushing up into the 0.50 fib zone, and the next main target around $143.49. Once Solana gets to these levels, people are going to be left completely speechless. And speaking about completely speechless, I'm sure all the haters are speechless right now, because we did see Solana go all the way down to $78.55 after having a massive rally. And when it went down to this level, people were pushing for levels for $20. Like, are you kidding me? You had the longest time to accumulate at $20, and some people didn't. But you can see this for yourself. If you picked up Sol around this $79 to $80 price point, you are up right now about 44.4% and almost very close to a yearly high, which is only a 11.27% move from the current price levels. Right now, we are not outpacing BTC right now because Bitcoin dominance is pretty much sitting at 54%. Bitcoin does have majority of the momentum, but I think that will happen. I think Solana is going to outpace BTC sooner than and I think we're going to see the 0.50 fib zone retested for the first time in almost 2 years. And of course, that is going to, I think, break the crypto internet, because these are some key levels that Solana hasn't retested for literally almost 2 years. And of course, once that gets to there, a lot of traction, and then this pretty much means that we're already halfway till the all-time highs, and that is just absolutely crazy to even wrap my head around, especially if you know how crazy the bear market was just a few months back. Literally a few months back, the bear market was insane, really boring, but the people that actually stood around, accumulated, actually bought the uncertainty, are the ones that are the real winners right now. And I know who they are. There's been some followers on mine that stuck with me from day one, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys that has been here from the beginning, because guys, I'm telling you, around this time uncertainty levels were extremely high. People are showing extremely negative comments left and right, but the ones that stood around, I appreciate them more than they know. And I love you all. But you're looking good, loving what I'm seeing. Today's a great day, celebrate. I do lock in profits. I know the peak is not in, of course, talking historically, but profit locking, it does not hurt any time. Okay, like, this is something I want you guys to kind of ingrain in yourself, because if once the market heats up, our overall emotions get to us. Even if you are prepared, it will get to us. And you want to make a promise to yourself that you won't be able to get emotions led to get you, because when that happens, this is where you end up losing on massive amounts of profits. But I'm sure the people already know what they're doing. But that is it for today's update. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.